Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this 2020 Acura TL. So we'll just first pop open the hood, which is right there. We'll just lift up the hood. So there should be a lever down here. And this one, I believe it has one of these struts, so it'll just open up. Open the oil filler cap. I just put wheel chocks just as a safety precaution on behind both wheels. It's the rear wheel, so we'll go there. And we'll put another one there. Be sure that when the car is off the ground, they will be on jack stands, and make sure that it is on the jack point here, which is right there. There will be a little notch here, and it comes all the way back to here. This one looks like it's a little bit closer towards the front, but they'll be fine. Under the car, there's going to be this aluminum under the car there's going to be this aluminum cover here. We're gonna have to take that off in order to get access to the oil filter. What's holding this aluminum cover on is there's a total of 7 of these, I guess you can call them some sort of screw. But to take that screw out, what you're gonna do is you just turn it counterclockwise just a quarter turn, and then it should come right off, and just pull it down. So there's a total of 7 of them, so just take that out, and then we'll take off the cover. As you can see here, the cover is off, and there is the oil filter. So what we'll do here now is we'll take out, it says here engine oil, we'll take out the drain plug. For the drain plug, you will need a 17 millimeters. Be sure you have a something to catch oil when you take out the drain plug. And as you can see here, the oil has slowly dripping, so we can just put the drain plug back on. And here's the drain plug. We'll take out the old washer, and we'll clean the drain plug just a little bit. So we'll just put the new washer in place. If there's any oil, make sure just clean it off. And we will just tighten it. So the last person that did the oil change tightened the oil filter so tight, I'm gonna have to use this wrench here, and so we have the wrench here, and then we'll just spin it counterclockwise. Here's the new oil filter, and the TLX takes a 0W20. So we will fill the oil in the oil filter Now we fill the oil up maybe halfway there, and then we'll just lightly oil the gasket here, just like that. Now that the oil stopped flowing out of the oil filter here, we will just spin the oil filter out. Remove the old filter and install the new filter. Tighten to about 10 foot-pounds. Now we'll put the aluminum cover back on. Just be sure that the this black piece here sticks out so it holds the aluminum cover on. What we're going to do is, so when you put the screw back in, make sure you only turn it clockwise, just a quarter turn. Now that the panel's back on, the 7 little screws is held that this aluminum panel is back on. We can just lower the car now. Now we'll just fill the oil. Normally I just go about maybe 4 quarts. That's about 4 quarts. So we'll put the oil filler cap back on, and then we'll start the car for a little bit, and then we'll just check the level of the oil. So I'll just let the engine run for about 30 seconds, and then we'll check the oil. We'll check the oil level. So we'll just check the level on the oil. Clean the dipstick first. Then we'll go dip it back in. And we'll check it on here, and it looks like it's very low on this one, so we'll finish up the rest of the 1 quart that's left in that bottle. So we'll just finish up the rest of the 1 quart that's left in this bottle here. Okay, so we finished the whole 5 quarts there, and we will check the oil once more. Let's take a look. And yeah, it looks like it's almost near the top. So it looks like this 4-cylinder TLX takes the whole 5 quarts. And so now we're good. We'll close the hood, and then we'll take the wheel chocks if you chop the back of the wheel. And the last thing we're gonna do is reset the engine oil life display.
So now that we changed the oil in the engine, we will be resetting the oil life display. First thing you will do is not step on the brake. You'll click the engine start button twice. 1, 2. Now that we have the display on, you will go to info on the scroll wheel on the right hand side of the steering wheel. You will scroll up till you find oil life. Then you will look for the vehicle settings. You will click on it by pressing on the scroll wheel. Now that you're here, it'll take you to a different display where you will look for the maintenance info. That should be on 8 out of 10. You'll click on the maintenance info, and now you will see oil life. It says reset. So we're going to reset it by clicking on the scroll wheel again. Now it says reset completed. So now we're going to exit, and then we're going to be scrolling down until we hit oil life. And as you can see, the oil life changed from 30% to 100%. So now that it is resetted, you are done. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching the video, and yeah.